Billion Technology Limited, BTL, was established in 2003 and is located in the world-famous manufacturing city of Dongguan along the Pearl River Delta in China, now operating in 22,000 square meters of manufacturing space and over 200 in staff. Billion Technology is an ISO 9001, ISO 13485 and AS 9100 certified high-tech enterprise. For more than 10 years, BTL has always focused on providing high-precision machining parts and customized automation equipment design, relying on the highly trained staff alone with extensive manufacturing experience and international advanced equipment. BTL has established long-term cooperation with many leading world-renowned companies in markets such as aerospace, medical, industrial precision test, and measuring instrument industries. BTL is well equipped with high-end imported manufacturing machines and measurement equipment, including 4- and 5-axis CNC milling centers, horizontal CNC milling centers, high-speed machines, CNC lathes, Swiss-type lathes, EDM machines, precision grinders, spectrometers, tool presetters, CMM machines, and so on. The entire production process is tightly controlled with a 3-step quality control process, including IQC, IPQC, FQC, to assure the quality of the final product. Our ERP system is applied in every process throughout the whole company, which allows us to fully achieve the modernization of enterprise information processing and management. Corporate culture is the soul of an enterprise, as well as the basic element to form the core competitiveness. BTL has always provided quality products and services by adhering to the business philosophy of quality first and credibility focused, taking customers' demand as guidance, assuring quality with craftsmanship. Meanwhile, BTL also emphasizes staff development, seeking to build a platform where dreams come true. Looking to the future. We, the people of Billion Technology Limited, will stay to our mission and forge ahead, offering precision manufacturing to the world.